Friends, let me show you this set of 6 plastic shelves. They are really useful because they are 15 inches long, 4 inches depth, and as you can see, they are really clear plastic acrylic. They go this in this side to the wall, and you can use them to put anything anywhere. If you put them in the kitchen, if you put them in your office like this, in a book shelf, wherever you want to install them, you can put anything here. They are great for collectibles, for example. Nice shelves. And you get these accessories to fix them to the wall, okay? You can see, you can put them here. And they have this sticky back, so you can fix them with this to any kind of maybe acrylic wall or glass or tile, things like that. Also, this you get enough like for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get enough for all of them. Or you can install them with these other accessories. You even get this screwdriver, so it's nice, okay? If you want to fix them with these kind of anchors to the wall. Okay, of course, installation instructions, but I mean, there are basic instructions just to fix them to the wall. So, these shelves are great. I'm going to use some of them here in my office, and I'm going to let you know how they look. Thank you. I am going to put this clear shelf in my dry erase board here, so I can put my eraser and my dry pen, dry eraser markers, okay? So I am going to use these self-adhesive accessories. First, I'm going to put them in the shelf so I know exactly where they should be. Okay. I'm going to put them on the side like that. Okay. There. So I'm going to peel back the back of the stick surface. And I'm going to put them there, and I am going to get the shelf off, so it will give it time to really stick to the glass until tomorrow, okay? I won't put anything on top of them until tomorrow. Friends, so the glue is already dry, and we are going to install our crystal clear shelf here. Okay. Perfect. As you can see, it looks nice. It goes with the glass dry erase board. And here I'm going to put my markers and my eraser so I can use them. And I can have them here. Perfect. I really recommend these shelves if you need something like this in your office, at home, everywhere.